How to deal with waswas with tahara or struggling during salah and keeping repeating and get stuck in tashahhud. I know it's shaitan waswas, but I'm still struggling with it. And that's a really good question. We have a new YouTube channel that is Shaykh Uthman QA, and it's basically all questions and answers, and we're making a particular playlist for OCD related issues. Our brother Abidullah from the UK, mashallah, may Allah reward him for the work he's doing with it. And we have to be very careful, because the waswas of shaitan that lead to OCD behavior can harm a person functioning in their daily life, in their ibadah. Some people have left salah because they just kept repeating it. We in Islam don't believe in this kind of behavior. When you're reading a Quran or something, and even if you make a mistake other than Al-Fatiha, you don't stop, you keep going. And you just continue. If you can repeat it, you can repeat it. If you get stuck, go into ruku. Don't get stuck in there, because you will drive yourself crazy. When you make wudu, if you make wudu once, twice, maybe you have doubt, is it twice or 3 times? Don't keep doing it, because the Prophet ﷺ allowed us to make wudu by washing everything once or twice or 3 times, but he forbid us to doing 4 times. Right? There's hadith. He said, you do not increase from the 3. The Sahaba said, what if we're sitting on the side of a river that's flowing, the water is not being wasted? He said, even then, you don't go more than 3. So you don't let waswas. The Prophet ﷺ made it so easy. He said, if you're in salah and you have some doubt whether you pass gas or not, because one is you very clearly know, whatever. But if you're not sure, the Prophet ﷺ said, if you didn't smell it or hear it, continue your salah, to stop the door of shaitan. So learn this fiqh and then stick to what you have yaqeen on. Don't go into these doubts and shubuhat that will mess you up. Inshallah, you can check that playlist. We discuss many of these scenarios. Wow, this is really written in small font, man.